What's up, guys? Thank you guys for joining my channel. I am Amani, and this is my channel. So today I have something a little bit more interesting for you guys. It is the iPhone 12 unboxing. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so this is the iPhone 12 Pro, and this one is the graphite color. The boxing, pretty much standard, a little bit thinner than I'm used to, but I know why that's because. So let's just go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, this is actually one sexy phone. Really digging how the color is on it, and then the side bezel, this silver, it's get fingerprinted like crazy, but really cool layout here. On the screen protector that comes with it, we see that it has outline for the volume up and down, plus the mute button and the power button. Let's go ahead and remove this, and let's power on. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side as it powers on, and we can go over the packaging a little bit more. So in the packaging, we comes with a manual, and of course the sticker. Everybody needs the sticker. If you don't put it on your car, you're not really a true Apple fan. But we have a way to move the SIM card, some instructions, and then we have our USB-C cable, whatever the iPhone charger cable is named. Actually, it's called the lightning cable to USB-C. That's pretty neat. And then that's it, bare bones. So no charger comes with this unit, and you really don't need one, seeing how they're everywhere. So there's no need for an actual charger to come with the packaging. That cuts down on environmental waste as well. But pretty cool phone. Looks interesting. I'm definitely gonna be creating videos with this. Hope this unboxing kind of shows you guys what's in store for you when you get your phone, if you decide to grab one this holiday season. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. That really helps me create good content. I'm definitely gonna be using this phone to create amazing content. And I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Have a good holiday, and best end of year to all of you. Take care. Peace.